2 men are dead, 2 families in mourning after gunfire erupted.
Now at 8:30, child killed.
10 people shot in 3 separate
Take a look at this car, this bullet-riddled car.
Police are investigating the shooting death of a child.
2 women were killed.
Like a bang sound, like bang.
Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords has been shot.
It's crazy, man. It has to stop.
Breaking news at 10.
Police say gunfire erupted.
So far today, 203 people have been shot in this country.
Died from multiple gunshot wounds.
Desperately trying to revive a 4-year-old girl.
It's just out of control.